Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable all media auto-download when roaming on WhatsApp. If you want to make sure you don't miss any important media files while traveling, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the WhatsApp settings page. Step 4. Tap Storage and Data to access the storage and data settings. Step 5. Under the Media Auto Download section, tap When Roaming. This allows you to customize your media download preferences while roaming. Step 6. Mark the All option. By doing this, you will enable auto download for all types of media when roaming. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable all media auto-download when roaming on WhatsApp. This will ensure that you receive all media files without any hassle, even when you're away from home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.